Hello. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact support on BuildFood. It's pretty much the process. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a BuildFood account, which of course I've done right here. Now, how can you create an account on BuildFood? Pretty simple. Launch any browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar of your browser, type buildfood.com. It's going to take you to the official website for BuildFood. In there, follow through the on-screen prompts to create your account, and after creating your account successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in BuildFood. Now, I'd like you to know something. This is literally not how the BuildFood homepage looks like. It looks so bare and plain. Now, it's like this because BuildFood does not do Nigeria. It does not support Nigeria, but if it supports your country, you can head over here and click on the delivery address. So enter your delivery address, and once you do that, it's going to show a wide array of restaurant options that you can choose from. So how do you contact support on BuildFood? Head over to the top corner of your screen here where you have the home, orders, and profile tabs. Click on profile, and once you click on profile, it takes you right here where you have this payment, promo codes, profile settings, about, and support. Now I'd like you to click on support, and it's going to take you to this extended window where you can now be in touch with BuildFood. So get help with something else, either of this, get help with a recent order, select an order, or you can check the inbox for you to contact them directly. So no open conversation with both support. Okay, that's why I just want to reach out to them. That's okay. So you can select an order if you need if you want help with an order, select an order. I don't have an order there, and they're just going to help you with that. And this is, let's say, other issues. You can click on other issues. My order was declined, or just this much. Maybe you can select any of that option, and you're going to see this information. This information you can say yes or no. All right, and go all the way. So you can head over here and select any of these options as well for them to help you get that done. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So you can just use any of this, get help, and get help with any of those processes. All right, so I may not be able to contact the support using this inbox option because both does not work for Nigeria, but if it does, your case will definitely be different. But this is pretty much how you can contact the support. There are other ways that you can reach out to them, by the way. So you can reach out to them on Facebook, Twitter, using any of the social media tabs. I'm going to zoom in on that. Okay, so Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, and TikTok. You can reach out to them using any of those options. So that's pretty much the process. You can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.